Good morning and welcome to Healthspo, Food for Thought. I'm Helen Demetrio and I'm a chef, a TV celebrity and a home cook to all of my beautiful children and family. And today I have a really special guest, Nelson.
Hi, I'm Nelson. I am currently a uni student who also works part-time and I'm struggling to juggle the two. So today's important because I have to always go to get fast food out of convenience. But I know that it may not be the healthiest option.
So today we're making chicken schnitzel burgers. So for our chicken schnitzel burger, we just need 6 key ingredients. We've got some chicken breast, we've got a cup of flour, 3 eggs, a cup of breadcrumb, some beautiful bread rolls, salt, pepper, and a little bit of paprika. I've got some beautiful fresh eggs here, and I would love for you to be able to crack those in that bowl and whisk them up for me while I help you slice this beautiful chicken breast.
Here we go.
Give it a good whack. That's it.
All right.
Perfect. Well done, Master Chef. While you're whisking away, I'm going to thinly slice our beautiful chicken breast. Now, I'm going to get you to take this wonderful little baton and gently beat our little chicken breast so that we can get it even thinner. Give it some grunt.
All right.
Okay.
Out of curiosity, why do we have to flatten the chicken?
The reason I flatten my chicken is because I like to get it as thin as possible and it helps tenderize the chicken breast as well. So Nelson, it's our 3-step chicken schnitzel. We've got flour with our paprika, we've got breadcrumb and we've got egg.
All right. The other side as well. Oh, and then it was the egg. Oh, get it all over it, right?
Yeah.
Yep. Oh, missed the bit there.
That's okay.
And then breadcrumb. Here we go. Get all of it. Seems like we did. All right, cool.
Well done. Give yourself a high five. We got gloves on. We're going to have a medium heat. So I'm just adding a little bit of olive oil. What I'm waiting for is just a little bit of crackling on the side to know that the heat is right. If ever in doubt, all you need to do is literally stick the side of your chicken breast in. And if it's not sizzling, it's just not ready. Place your chicken breast in there, 2 at a time. It's not going to take too long. You probably need about 2 minutes each side.
So how do I know if it's cooked?
That's a really good question. Now, the beauty about me, to make it simple for you, is that I've cut them in half. So I'll be able to see if it's cooked just literally by looking at the side there. I'm looking to get rid of the pinkiness in the chicken. Another little tip is that that is going to absorb a little bit of oil. So in your plate, when you take it out, it's always a good idea just to have a napkin so that it absorbs the oil. Okay, Nelson, so our chicken is ready. Now we're going to make a healthy coleslaw salad. All you'll need is some red cabbage, some white cabbage, a red onion, some grated carrot,
Yum.
and some mayonnaise. So let's grab our bun to finish off our chicken burger.
Yep, here we are.
We're going to put on our lovely chicken schnitzel, your coleslaw on the top.
All right, all of it.
Yeah, why not? A beautiful, healthy chicken schnitzel bun for less than $6 a day. Cheers.
All right, cheers. Better than the store-bought ones.
Oh, wow. Yum. You like it? Oh, what are you so surprised for? It's actually really good.